If you don't have a power outlet outside and you want to have one of those cozy pergola lights for your patio, well, don't worry, since you can always go solar. This super convenient and solar powered string lights, which is 54 feet long, will transform your outdoors into a really nice and warm place. Let me show you why. The best thing about these lights, besides the fact that with 54 feet long you will cover a large area, is that you can experience the flexibility and convenience of both solar power panel, but also the USB charging capabilities. Whether you're facing many rainy days or have urgent power needs, the dual charging modes have you covered. You can choose USB charging for immediate convenience or harness the power of the sun for more convenience. It also comes with a remote control functionality, allowing you to effortlessly switch between 4 timer control options: 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours. And you can choose from 3 lighting modes, which are breathing, flashing, and constant. And you will be able to create the perfect ambience with 3 brightness modes. They're soft, bright, and super bright. So that's a really great plus, and you don't have to worry about any outlet installation, so that's even better. In terms of the actual light modes, I have found that the soft mode looks super nice, but it'll also extend the battery life, ensuring long-lasting and comfortable lighting that adapts to your preferences. And since it is weatherproof, it is designed to withstand various weather conditions, but most importantly, these are waterproof. So overall, I would recommend these solar power outdoors and waterproof lights to anyone who doesn't have a power outlet outside, but wants to have a nice and cozy place on their patio. This was a really nice find. I hope you like my review, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.